Dealing with the frustrating bricked GPU black screen after an AMD Adrenalin update, I spent hours finding solutions that truly work. I am now sharing those effective methods with you. First, a clean driver installation. This completely wipes out old, corrupted AMD Adrenalin drivers causing conflicts. It gives your GPU a fresh start, ensuring new drivers install perfectly without lingering issues, preventing black screens. Next, rolling back your driver. Sometimes a new AMD Adrenalin update isn't compatible. Going back to a stable driver version instantly resolves compatibility, effectively helping to fix AMD Adrenalin update bricked GPU black screen error by avoiding the faulty update. Third, disabling fast startup and a power cycle. Fast startup can prevent your GPU from initializing correctly. A full shutdown and power drain clears temporary electrical glitches, forcing your graphics card to restart, restoring your display. Finally, reset your BIOS if and check cables. Your BIOS controls hardware communication. A reset clears incorrect settings affecting your GPU. Ensuring all display cables are securely connected is a common fix for a black screen.
Till we hit a red light, then I see the side.